Oh my gosh, Alex, I saw something pop up on my feed this morning and it totally grabbed my attention. This big news about the UK and Germany teaming up on quantum stuff, it sounded really, really significant.
Yeah, Heidi, it's huge, absolutely huge. We're talking about a massive 14 million pound collaboration, right, between the UK and Germany, specifically for quantum innovation. This was all announced during German President Frank-Walter Steinmeier's state visit to the UK, like just recently on December 5th, 2025.
Wow, that's actually way more recent than I thought. So, like quantum innovation, I hear the term a lot, but what does this collaboration actually aim to do, really, beyond just, throwing money at it?
Well, the core idea, is to really accelerate the research, the development, and then, crucially, the commercialization of quantum tech. It's a rapidly evolving sector, and this agreement is all about deepening that bilateral cooperation. They're strengthening those long-standing scientific ties and, scaling quantum capabilities through coordinated investment and joint programs. It's really about getting ahead, if that makes sense.
Okay, scaling quantum capabilities. That sounds like super important. So, what exactly does that 14 million actually cover? Like, where's it going specifically? Is it all for one big project or is it split up?
Great question, Heidi. It's definitely split up, and that's a smart move. So there are two primary areas this funding package is allocated across. First point, £6 million is for joint quantum R&D. This is going to support projects that really bring together UK and German expertise, fostering advancements in things like quantum sensing, communications, and computing. And a joint funding call is actually expected to launch pretty soon, early 2026, with Innovate UK and VDI Germany each contributing 3 million quid.
Oh, okay. So that's like for the research side of things. What about, getting these ideas out into the real world?
Exactly, and that leads to the second main area. £8 million is going straight to Fraunhofer UK's Photonics Center in Glasgow. This investment is all about strengthening the infrastructure needed to help British companies commercialize like next-generation quantum products. It's crucial for turning the science into actual products, real-world applications.
That Fraunhofer investment sounds really practical, but beyond the money, I also heard something about like standards. Do you know what I mean? Like, why are shared quantum standards so important?
Oh, you're hitting on a really, really critical point there, Heidi. Absolutely. Beyond the financial commitments, a crucial structural milestone was reached, an MOU signed between the UK's NPL and Germany's PTB. This collaboration is specifically focused on developing those shared quantum standards. They're considered essential, like absolutely vital for global interoperability, for trusted measurement, and for widespread commercial adoption of these quantum technologies.
So it's like setting the rules of the road for quantum, so everyone's on the same page globally?
Precisely. And this MOU actually complements something called the NMIQ initiative, which is a global effort doing the same thing. Lord Valence, the UK science minister, he really emphasized quantum's transformative potential, reshaping cybersecurity, medical imaging, drug discovery. He highlighted how deep partnerships, especially with Germany's R&D expertise, are key. It really just reinforces that the UK is Germany's largest European research partner. Both nations are all in on quantum, driving economic growth, with projections of $11 billion to UK GDP and over 100,000 jobs by 2045. It's a massive future.